This 2017 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 27 BHHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 32 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, stovetop burner, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, microwave, TV antenna, water heater, LP detector, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.